Experiencing sound from only one of your Sony WF earbuds, like the WF-1000 XM4, XM5, or XM6, is a common issue and often doesn't indicate a hardware defect. This video will guide you through easy fixes for this problem, which usually stems from software glitches, pairing issues, or simple user-correctable factors. We'll focus on solutions relevant as of February 2026, incorporating Sony's updates and user experiences. Sony WF earbuds use Bluetooth Low Energy to connect to your device. Each earbud connects independently, but they sync with each other. If this syncing fails, one earbud might lose connection, resulting in only one working. We'll show you how to reset the pairing and ensure both earbuds are properly synced. The first and often most effective solution is to reset your earbuds. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone. With both earbuds in the charging case, navigate to the System tab and select Reset. This clears the existing pairing data and can resolve syncing problems. Wait for the reset process to complete before proceeding. Uneven battery drain can cause one earbud to shut down prematurely. Ensure both earbuds and the charging case are fully charged. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and inside the case. Dust or debris can interfere with the charging process, leading to one earbud not powering on. If resetting doesn't work, try repairing your Sony WF earbuds with your device. First, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Find your Sony WF earbuds in the list of paired devices and select Forget or Unpair. Then, put your earbuds back in the case, close the lid, wait a few seconds, and open the lid again. Finally, place the earbuds into pairing mode and reselect them from your device's Bluetooth list. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. To fix this, open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your device. First, open the Sony Headphones Connect app. This is the official app for managing your Sony earbuds. Next, check for firmware updates in the app. The app will scan your earbuds and show if updates are available. Then, install any available updates. This ensures your earbuds have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Sony released firmware version 4.2.1 in 2025, which significantly improved pairing reliability for the WF-1000 XM4 and XM5 models. External factors like Wi-Fi congestion or interference from other Bluetooth devices can sometimes cause one earbud to drop out. Try moving to a different location or turning off other nearby Bluetooth devices to minimize interference. Some routers also allow you to change Wi-Fi channels, which can reduce interference with your earbuds. If none of the troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, your earbuds might have a hardware problem. Contact Sony support or visit an authorized repair center for professional assistance. Looking ahead, future Sony WF models will likely feature AI-integrated diagnostics to predict and prevent these issues before they occur. Trends point towards more resilient designs and better integration with smart ecosystems, reducing the need for manual fixes. Remember to check Sony's official website for the latest updates and support information to stay informed about new features and fixes.